Look at this amazing action that we've just come across. The lions have managed to catch a buffalo that they chased going through the thicket, trying to get back to the group of the herd. Unfortunately, I think this is the end. Look at this. I think unfortunately that this is indeed the end for this buffalo calf. You can see the male now going in, grabbing it by the throat. It needs to keep the calf quiet, otherwise the herd of buffalo are going to come back and try and chase these lions off. An elephant never forgets, but you might. Click subscribe and you'll never miss another safari.